Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard, the Stamps of Life, and I am so excited to share these items with you. Number one, they all go together, which is really cool. Number two, two of the items go with other items you already have, which is even better, right? So you're just going to add to your collection. And number three, I'm in love. Let me just tell you. So let's start with the first one. And this is called the Party Hat Edge. Now, if you have our butterfly edge die, this is very similar to that. Let me just turn it over so I can show it to you. You are getting all these big words. First of all, you're getting happy birthday, party time, and let's celebrate. You're getting a fun little party hat, and then you're getting the party hat edge. And I think the easiest way for me to show you what you're getting is look at this. Here we go. So it has the cut edge on the side. You have all the fun little hats right there. This hat can also layer if you want to change the colors. There's our cute little picnic monkey. Let's celebrate. Isn't that adorable? Yes, you are also getting, see this layering die back here of the stripes. You're getting that die, and you're getting the die that goes on the inside right here. Isn't that awesome? I love it. And it's going to be so much fun. Now, it kind of coordinates still with the items I'm going to show you next. So remember when we came out with, and I'll be honest, I don't remember which one was first. I know it wasn't this one. I do believe, hang on, let me look. Oh, I think it was this one. It was this one. Remember when I came out with Family Forever? Family Forever. And I had blessed to be your daughter, blessed to be your mama, blessed to be your mom, blessed to be your sister. You're the best dad. You're the best brother. You're the best auntie. And I thought I got all the words on there, right? Yeah, I didn't. You guys all let me know. I did not have all the words on there. So then I came out with this one. And again, same font, same size, same everything. So now we have mother, wife, father, all the ones I missed on the first one. Someone special, chosen family, Grammy, goddaughter, step niece, step nephew, all of those are separate. Fur baby, I got it all in there, right? Then some of you said, Stephanie, you still didn't get everything. And I'm like, okay, you know what? I can't do it all. So then I came out with this one. And that is the alphabet, because now you can do any word you want. You can also do names, right? Ding, ding, ding. Extra letters. So you have lots of A's, lots of B's, lots of C's, because I wanted to make sure you had enough to say, for example, Bernard, because Bernard has 2 A's, or my daughter Kirsten has 2 I's, or Miller has 2 L's, right? Yeah, so there's extra letters. Then everybody was like, okay, we want more. We want more that matches with this. And I'm like, I gotcha. I gotcha. So then we came out with this one. Happy birthday, happy anniversary, happy day, happy New Year, happy Valentine's. And I kind of tried to go in order of the calendar. New Year, Valentine's, St. Patrick's, Easter, Mothers, Fathers, 4th of July, Halloween, Hanukkah, Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, winter, retirement, summer, spring, fall. Have a great summer. Have a great retirement. Okay? But wait, there's more, my friends, because I couldn't stop. So now we have more. This is what I'm releasing today. You are cherished. You are loved. You are awesome. You are so amazing on your special day. Keep in mind, my friends, all these words are separate, so you are going to be able to mix and match them with all the others, okay? Graduation, anniversary, marriage, new baby, congratulations to you. Congrats, wedding, good luck, big, shower, bridal, baby shower. You got it all on here, okay? I got it all. So this is brand new now. Now, all of those put together, one of my design team members said, Stephanie, I'm madly, deeply in love with these, but I want a die that I can stamp on and boom, put it on my card. And I said, Michelle, I got your back. So now we have the wide strip dies. This is one, well, I said dies, but it's one die, cuts out a whole bunch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 different sizes, and some banners, some just strips. You're gonna keep the extras in your kangaroo pockets, right? Your kangaroo pockets that look like, let me find a decently looking one right this second, because I'm trying to find one. Here we go. This one does not look decent, but at least it'll give you an idea. So my magnets in there, I got my stamps in there. And remember, this is a separate pocket for your extra cutouts, right? This is your separate pocket. There's 2 pockets I'm holding right now in my hand. So now you're gonna use your kangaroo pockets for any extras that you cut out. But now you can stamp on these and boom, you're done, right? Die cut first, then stamp. So that's brand new too. Now let's jump in and look at our samples. So here's congratulations without the word strip dies. You don't have to use them if you don't want to. Or ding, 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 look at that. Look at that banner. Isn't that fun? Have a great retirement. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Here's one, congratulations on your new baby. Or no dies on your bridal shower. Isn't that pretty? I love that. Congratulations. You're going to be able to use this collection and mix and match it, keep them all together, store them all together, so you will have the whole collection and be able to say anything you want, especially with those alphabets, right? Look how cute this is. Now these flowers, I know you guys are gonna fall in love with those. Those are from the 3D pop-up number 2 drop-in flower. Okay, look how pretty. Just using our die-cut felt, right? You use our die-cut, our wool felt. Look at this, open that up. This says, congrats on your special day. Isn't that fun? You are amazing. Now, as amazing as all that was, let's look at our party hats because I love this one. Here we go. Let's celebrate. Yes, you are getting that. Look at that. One of our pop-ups. Ooh, you can add a gift card in there. Isn't that fun? Happy birthday. So that is the 3D pop-up number 2. See how it pops up? Isn't that fun? I love that. And there's a gift card on there. It's also using the gift card pop-up. So how fun. You can have it right there. Boom. There you go. Ooh, here's another one. Another one. Let's celebrate your special day. See, there's those stamps right there. Love it. Oh, here's another one. Ooh, using a sprinkled paper background. Oh, die cut a little differently. Look how fun that is. So you can also die cut it like that. So it has the little cutouts on the edge. Line it up on the inside and woo, perfect. Here's a fun one with 3D ink on it. Cheryl made this one. Happy birthday, party time, happy birthday. Here's another one. Look at how fun those are, my friends. So go to check out our website the first 24 hours. These are on our website. They're on flash sale. So go check it out. Club members, of course, you also get your club discount. Thank you so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here, because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.